Imagine riding the coolest bike in the city, looking super cool, plus my Freedom Rider motorized bike kit is gonna save you $600 on gas in the warmer months or $250 on monthly bus passes. A little bit more about this, obviously you guys want to know. I have a kit. If you visit the link below, you can pick up a kit for yourself. Let me explain. It comes with its own motor chain drive here, which it has two. It's got the regular chain for pedaling. I can pedal it like a normal bike without the engine, and then when I want, I can turn on the engine. Right on, man. All right, bro, take it easy, man.
You too.
And it comes with, you got your muffler, 2.5 liter gas tank, and about $2 Canadian to fill up, maybe $2.30 to fill up, and it'll take me about maybe 70 kilometers before I have to fill it up. Usually 3 hours I can ride for about $2. That's pretty good. Clutch, brakes, and then you got the kill switch here. Installing the Freedom Rider kit is super easy. You can do it in one afternoon. All it takes is just basic tools, guys. A screwdriver and a crescent wrench, and that's it. This thing only cost me 250 bucks. You can buy my kit in the description below. It takes like a few hours for you to assemble. Basic tools. You're gonna love it, guys, okay? So why I got this motorized bike instead of one of those electric bikes is because several factors. One, electric bikes, they have a certain range, and then the battery dies and you gotta charge it for like 6, 7, 8 hours. And the range, I don't know what the range, oh shit, that's a lot of glass over there. I'm glad I didn't go there. But the e-bikes, the range is probably from 2 hours, and then you gotta stop riding it. That's a big factor for me. I want to ride all day. I don't want to stop and charge it. I want to be able, this put like $2 in gas in this, and then it's going to last me like 3-4 hours. And if I run out of gas, boom, I put some more gas in. Ain't got to stop for no one. So that's a big factor for me. Also, I like the feel. This feels like a really old school 1950s motorcycle, right? You feel like you're on a motorcycle. You got the throttle here. You have the little engine feel, rumble. And on the e-bike, it feels like you're just kind of being pushed along by a wind, by a very, very strong wind. So I ended up for this. I have, you know, I love it because I can go a lot of places. Like, this really is freedom on two wheels for me. Okay, I can be at like 2 in the morning. I want to go get Taco Bell. I want to go get whatever. Boom, I hop on this thing. I don't have a car. I don't want to take a bus. The bus aren't running at 2 in the morning. I don't have to wait for the bus, sit beside smelly people on the bus.